Hi, welcome back to the test centre. Today I'm in a bit of shock. I've actually found somebody out there that doesn't know what the Aquablast does. Which, yeah, I know, it's unbelievable, but it's true. This guy is a clever guy, and what he does is he is currently working on a VW Phaeton, a beautiful car. And he's got some old parts, and he's been playing around with silver paints and things to try and make it look clean and new. So if you come and have a look at this, you'll be able to see this is the old original surface, all dirty and worn, and you can see the different coloured paint that he's been trying to use to make it look clean and new again. So this guy doesn't know about the Aquablasts, he doesn't know what they're capable of. This is going to be a real surprise for him. So I'm going to blast this part, make it look really nice. I think I'll use B60 this time, so it gives a good satin finish. And we're going to do half and then show you what it looks like, so you've got a contrast, and then we'll finish it off and I'll take it back to the customer and see what he thinks. So the question is, will it blast? So we've done half of it, as you can see, and what a difference. No need to paint this now, is there? Absolutely stunning. If you have a close look at the difference between what it was originally and then what it was after it's been blasted with B60, obviously we're not going to get rid of the corrosion and the pitting that's on there, but we have cleaned the metal up to quite a significant degree. And that took, realistically, about a minute. So I'm going to finish this off and we'll have a look at the completed piece. Right, it looks amazing. Really, really good. Very happy with that. It's ridiculous how quick it takes. A few minutes and this is looking better than new. The Aquablast, when used with ceramic media for this type of job, is just, it's unbeatable. So yeah, I'm going to take this back to him. I think he'll be pretty pleased with it, don't you? And then see what he says. So thanks for your time.